Today I am making a fun little experiment, Frito Corn Salad. I've seen versions of this floating around online and wanted to try my own take on it. Something easy, picnic friendly, and of course mayonnaise free for summer gatherings. I started with two 10-ounce bags of frozen corn. I cooked them over medium heat until some of the kernels turned a beautiful golden brown. This step adds so much flavor, almost like a sweet roasted flavor. Once the corn cooled a bit, I mixed it with 14 ounces of sour cream. I love using sour cream instead of mayonnaise for outdoor meals. It holds up better and feels lighter. Next, I added a couple teaspoons of lime juice, about 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Give that a good stir so the dressing is smooth and creamy. Next, I chopped up green onions and red pepper. And then added 16 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. It makes the salad rich, salty, and perfect with the corn. Mix everything together until it's colorful and evenly coated. Finally, I folded in the Fritos. They add that crunchy, salty bite that makes the salad so delicious. We served this on the patio with grilled hot dogs, and it was delicious. The crunch, the creamy dressing, the roasted corn, it all worked very well together. But here's the honest part. Leftovers were not so good. Once the Fritos sat in the dressing overnight, they got soggy and lost that magical crunch. So next time, and what I recommend if you make this, is to serve the Fritos on the side. Let everyone scoop them on top of their salad right before eating. That way the salad stays fresh and leftovers actually taste good the next day. Overall, this was such a fun summer recipe. And with that one little tweak, it's definitely something I would make again for a picnic or a 4th of July type meal. Thanks for spending a little time with me today, and I will see you in the next video.